Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the alternator on a 3rd gen Durango. Today while I was driving, I got a little notification, a battery icon on the dash, and following up with like a whining noise coming from the engine bay. Hooked up my scanner, and I was able to figure out that there's a low voltage recorded on the ECM. You can check this with a multimeter as well. Just put it to the battery terminals and check the voltage, and then you fire it up again. Check the voltage. It should bump it up if the alternator is working fine. On a healthy alternator, it should be somewhere around like 13.5, 14.
First we are going to disconnect the battery terminals.
Plan is to take this air assembly out, and then we're going to take the serpentine belt out. The alternator is being held by 3 16mm bolts, and then there's a bracket which goes and mounts to another 13mm bolt. I think we have enough room over here to wiggle the alternator out. I need to take this airbox assembly out, held by 110mm, 2 8mm bolts. Down you loosen these clamps right there, and then there's the mass airflow sensor. Just squeeze it and unplug it, just like that. This is the tensioner.
Use the 3/8 ratchet in this spot, then rotate the tensioner assembly clockwise.
I'm probably gonna pop the belt off from here. Just like that. Hold it, and then you can let go. So that's one of the bolts right there, 16s, and you just have to loosen that one. And then there's points right there. That's the first top one. And if you look at, there's the one which is connected to the bracket. You gotta take that one out. And then there's another one, I think, with the negative cable ground right there. Also, if you can see this red clip right there, that red clip needs to be pushed back, and then you can take this socket out. Okay, so the first part of the cable on the front nut, this one right here, is a 13, so we have to loosen that one. So that's the other part of the bolt, which is a 15mm. Pop this cover, last piece, take this bolt out right there. The bearings are making noise. new alternator. Just make sure like everything's the same when you're trying to replace it. I got a Bosch AL6489X. This is a remanufactured unit, and they have a 24-month unlimited mile warranty. So since mine was in this direction, I'm just gonna put it back into the same spot. That's a new alternator. And these bolts, you don't need to tighten them much. Like snug fit. This one there. As before. Let's see. There's the other one, which gets connected to the bracket. That one is the 13 millimeter on the outside, and then afterwards it's a 15 millimeter. That's your negative. The ground cable, which gets connected. Out here, we've got the socket all set again, and the positive cable right there. So, belt's all routed correctly. And it should be good to go. So, just need to put the airbox on. And we'll be done. Alright, moment of truth. Everything's good to go. The scanner shows that the voltage is alright, 14.6.